to my channel. It's your girl Nara here again. So today I'll be showing you how to make an extreme whitening flawless milk. An extreme flawless whitening milk, that's the name, extreme flawless whitening milk. Okay, so before we get into the video, let me appreciate my beautiful family I have here. Thank you for your support, thank you for sticking with me, thank you for your comments, thank you for reaching out to me. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry I didn't post video last week Wednesday and this past Sunday. A whole lot of things have been holding me up. I'm sorry about that. So today, before I get into the video again, if you're a new subscriber here, this channel is all about skincare, beauty tips, fashion, and lifestyle. Here we drop hot tips on how you can achieve a radiant, clear skin, and we'll explain it plain for you to understand well. Okay, thank you for your support, thank you for subscribing, thank you for being here with me. So today's video is all about whitening. I made a video about some of the products I sell, whitening milk, Russian milk, Egyptian milk, and I made a promise there that I'm going to make a video of how to make organic whitening milk. These whitening milks are not cosmetics products. They are not normal lotion and serum you just buy from the market. You can only get these milks from organic shops. Okay, so the milk I'll be showing you today, if you want to get them, make sure you go to a reputable organic store that sell original materials. If you live in Lagos, there are too many and good organic shops that sell good raw organic materials, original organic materials to make this milk. Number one point you should consider when making this milk, you make sure you get the original milk. Don't just get anything and mix together, you won't get good results. You make sure you get the original milk. If you go to if you're in Lagos, there are good shops that sell these organic materials, that sell milks like there's something they call 7 days whitening milk. There's something they called 3 days whitening base milk, 7 days whitening base milk, 3 days whitening base milk, Russian milk, Malaysian milk, Egyptian milk, that you name it. There are too many of them. Okay, these are organic, already formulated milks that you get, and these milks you can buy and use on their own. Like the 3 days whitening milk you can use without even activating. 7 days base whitening milk you can buy and use on its own. And these are milks that, if you want that baby at your skin, you want that butter skin, you want that butter clear skin, and that outstanding skin, like people will always want to know what you use. These are milks that give those results. Most cosmetics products do great results, but these milks, if you want that clear clean skin, clear clean skin, butter skin, baby skin, you should be considering using those milks to achieve that result. Okay, so today's video I'll be showing you how you can get the 7 days whitening milk, 3 days whitening milk, and you activate them the more and use. This milk, mind you, doesn't give stretch mark, doesn't give green veins, doesn't give discoloration. They are organic, naturally made. Okay, the thing is that it's already prepared, and they come in plain cups. They are not like normal, example, Fair and White lotion you can buy, or Carrot Glow you can just buy. They are organic products already made, put in cups, formulated already, put in cups that you buy. If you're a cream formulator, you can just buy, or you want to use for yourself, like this tutorial I'll be showing in a few minutes now. You can just buy those milks and formulate. So I'll be showing you how to activate if you want it more effective. Okay, and it's gonna give you a smooth result. No stretch mark, no discoloration, no blemishes, but it has to be original milks. Okay, so that's what we'll be talking about today. Real raw organic milks. The cream I'm making today, it's raw milk entirely, milks with activators, whitening activating oils. That's it. A combination of different milks, 7 days whitening milk, 3 days whitening milks, and organic oils to help boost and activate it the more. Okay, mind you, like I said, the 7 days whitening milk can be used without activating. 3 days whitening milk can be used without activating. Russian milk can be used without activating. But if you want it more effective and you want it to give you more glossy, butter skin, you want to activate it, that's what I'll be showing you shortly. There are too many ways of how to activate organic milk, so I'll be showing you one very simple one you can do on your own at the comfort of your own of your home. You can also make for a customer. Okay, simple recipe is what I'm showing you today. There are too many of them, but the one I'll be showing you today is a very simple one. So let's get into the workstation so I can show you. Hi guys, so welcome back here. Like I said, today I'll be showing you how to make Organic Extreme Whitening Flawless Milk. This milk is made with an organic base. Okay, this base, like I said, our base, you can go to where they sell organic materials and you ask them for 7 days whitening base. This is a 7 days whitening organic base cream. Okay, I have it here in 250 ml, and I have 3 days whitening base. I have it here in 100 ml. Then I have egg whites. I have it 50 ml here. I have Malaysia whitening oil. I have it here in 50 ml as well. And we have some half cask oil here with us. We have here 2 tablespoons of 1 teaspoon of jasmine oil, 1 teaspoon of jasmine oil, 1 teaspoon of lavender oil. That's what I have here. Essential oil, lavender, 1 teaspoon of lavender essential oil, and 1 teaspoon of jasmine essential oil. And I have here glutathione tube cream. So, and I have glutathione tube cream here and the serum. Okay, so when you're making all these things, if you're using glutathione as an additive in preparing of your whitening milk, okay, I don't really like combining too many different, like butane, glutathione, and kojic and all. So we'll be using just glutathione tube cream and the glutathione serum. Okay, and the extra whitening oil and Malaysia whitening oil is plain organic. This is plain organic egg whites, and this is 7 days whitening base milk. It comes like this. It's not a cosmetics product you just go to a shop and buy. You can only get this in an organic shop. It's not something you just go to a cosmetic shop or a supermarket and buy. It's from and when you want to make this cream yourself, or you want to make for customer, make sure you go to a good organic shop where they sell organic materials. You tell them you want 7 days whitening base milk. Okay, make sure you're getting the original so you get the benefit of all these things. This cream I'm going to be making today, if you want that butter skin, that clean, beautiful baby looking skin, that butter skin, that very clear skin, flawless milky skin without spots, okay, this is how you're just going to make it. Okay, so what we're making is extreme whitening flawless milk. This cream is going to give you a milky white skin tone. Okay, so let's get to work. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be pouring in our 200 ml or 200 ml of our 7 days whitening base milk. This is the first thing to go into our bowl. So now I just added this is the 7 days 250 ml of the 7 days. This is an organic base. Look at it. It's an organic base whitening milk. These are milk made for whitening. This 7 days whitening milk can whiten your skin on its own. It's 100% organic, with no synthetic, with nothing. This is complete. This alone can work on its own. You can only get these base milks from organic shop, like I said earlier. Okay, so next I'll be adding in the 3 days whitening base milk. This is the 3 days whitening base milk, 3 days whitening flawless milk. This alone as well, you can use this on its own. Okay, it will just gradually whiten your skin, but we're trying to activate a more active whitening milk. Okay, so I'm going to pour this. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding the tube, because it's when making cream, it's good to first of all go ahead with the solid before adding the liquids. So I'm going to be adding one of these. This is the glutathione tube cream. Okay, all these base milks can work on their own, but we're trying to activate to make it a more potent and strong whitening milk. This is glutathione tablet tube cream. Okay, so Now I'm just gonna stir this. Okay, you know, I promised when I did a video about materials we have in stock at the shop. So I told you I'll show you how to make organic extreme whitening milk. Okay, these milks are already concentrated to whiten your skin. They are 100% organic, already concentrated to whiten the skin. But I'm just trying to activate it the more, like we want it a more fastening, to give you a more fastening result. These products are available. You can place an order if you want. I can make this and send over to you. We sell the materials as well, but I have other places. There are other people who sell these materials. So we'll be using a 50 ml. This is 50 ml. This half of this 100 ml bottle. So using half, that's 50 ml of the egg whites. Egg white prevents cream reaction, green veins, repair the skin, help you achieve that butter skin. That's mainly the work of egg white. Gives you that flawless milky skin. Then next, we'll be adding another 50 ml. So I'll be adding 50 ml of the Malaysia whitening oil. This is a very strong whitening oil. When getting these materials, try to make sure you get the original of it from a very reputable organic shop. So I'll be adding 50 ml of this. This cream is super moisturizing. As you can see, we have loads of oil going in here. So now I'll be adding half cask oil. I'll be adding just 2 tablespoons of our half cask oil. Just 2 tablespoons of half cask oil. Okay, and lastly, for the whitening additives, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of glutathione serum, compressed serum. Glutathione compressed serum. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this. So you can see this lotion is super rich. See the stuff's going in. When you apply this on your skin, there's nobody that you pass by that won't ask you, madam, sister, what are you using? So this is our 1 teaspoon of lavender essential oil and 1 teaspoon of lavender essential oil. This lotion is so ready. So all we have to do is to mix properly and pour in our container. Our lotions, you can see it's really have to mix properly. Okay, that's just it. You mix properly. I'm going to use my hand blender to blend this. Okay, as you can see, just blended this cream. See how smooth and beautiful it looks. This is the cream that gives you that flawless, super flawless milky butter skin. Okay, you can go to any good organic shop. I'm going to list out all the items I use in this video in my description box. So you just go to, if you want to make this for yourself or you want to make for a customer, just go to any organic shop and request for the materials I use in making this cream. See how beautiful the color looks. But if you want me to make this for you, you can send me a DM on Instagram at NS Skincare World. Okay, I'll make this and send to you. This gives that butter a clean skin with no spots. You'll be looking all flawless like a baby. That clean baby skin. You're looking for that clean baby skin with no single spots. Make this milk and get back to me. You will definitely thank me after you try this on your skin. Okay, so that will be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, I'll be dropping it out for you all to see. We just have to achieve this beautiful flawless skin. We just all have to achieve it. Okay, I'm giving you guidelines on it all. Okay, thank you for watching. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Thank you and see you in my next one. Bye.